Hello everyone, welcome to Coding with Harshil. This is Harshil Churasma, and today in this video we are going to start a new series in the our web development, which is the CSS3. Yes, so we are going to start a new series with the CSS3. We have already completed the tutorial of HTML5. If you have doesn't seen, then you can go to the description. I have put the link below, and you can go here. And here we have uploaded total 37 videos of the our HTML5 tutorial from beginning to end. Okay, all videos are there, so you can watch it. And guys, save this playlist. It is required because whenever you save this playlist, then it is in your library, and whenever you want to watch this our HTML tutorial, at that time you can watch it. Okay, and guys, if you doesn't subscribe my channel, then you can subscribe now. Okay, and now let's move forward to the CSS. Okay, so today this video is about the introduction of the CSS3. Okay, so first of all, what is the CSS, right? So CSS is stands for cascading style sheet. Okay, so the full form of that is cascading style sheet. We have generally talking about the CSS3, right? So 3 is the version of that, like HTML. So HTML means hypertext markup language. HTML5 is the version. Same way CSS3 is the version. Okay, 5 is the latest version for the HTML. CSS3 is the latest version for the CSS. Okay, but generally we are talking CSS, right? So that is the cascading style sheet. It is a style sheet language which is used to describe the look and formatting of a document that is written in the markup language. So this line want to say that it is a style sheet language, right? You can see style sheet in the full form of the CSS, that it is a style sheet language which is used to describe the look and formatting of a document. Okay, so which type of document? Which is written in markup language. Markup language like HTML. HTML is a markup language, right? So using this CSS, we can describe the look and formatting of the HTML. Okay, so whatever tags and whatever coding we have written in the HTML, we can give a new look to that using this CSS. Okay, so CSS is used along with the HTML and JavaScript in the most websites to create user interfaces for web application and user interfaces for many mobile applications also. Okay, so whenever we are making websites, at that time these three languages are most useful. Okay, and it is required also, which is the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, by using HTML we are writing our basic code. We are adding some text. Okay, that is required. By CSS we are adding colors, animations, etc. And the JavaScript is also most important thing while making the websites. And by using this CSS and JavaScript, we are creating modern website that will be look good. Okay, so that is the our CSS. I hope you have clear idea about this CSS. Now, why we have to use this CSS? Okay, because already we have the HTML, and why CSS, right? So using the CSS, one big problem is solved. Okay, which problem is there? Okay, let's say we want to change the background color of a text in the HTML, right? So what we can do, we are using the style attribute. Okay, and using that we are changing the background color of any text. But don't forget that style attribute is the CSS, right? There are many ways to write the CSS in the HTML and separate file also, and one of that is the style attribute. And we have also seen another, which is the style tag, right? So style tag is the one thing that that is the part of a CSS. So using the CSS we can solve big problems like changing the text color, changing background color, adding animations, etc. Okay, but without that it is very difficult, right? So that is the why we have to use this CSS. Okay, the next thing is it is a save of lot of time. Okay, it saves lot of time. let's say we have created a big HTML file, and inside that only we have written the CSS code. Okay, so whenever we want to change a particular sections CSS, right? So at that time we have to find that particular section in the HTML, and then we have to find the particular CSS of that, and we have to change it. But using the CSS, we have a separate file, and in that separate file we can easily find and change it, that particular blocks styles. Okay, so that is saves a lot of time, and it is also solving our big problem. Okay, that's why we are using this CSS. I hope you have clear idea about this HTML, and this CSS, that why we have to use this CSS and what is the CSS. Okay, so guys, that's all about this video. I hope you have clear idea about all these things. This is only introduction about the CSS, but still if you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment. Guys, if you are new to our channel, then make sure you subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notification videos on my channel. And guys, if you like this video, then give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, and PPT and code will be in the description. You can follow us on social media like Facebook and Instagram. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next time.